Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your webmail from DreamHost to your Outlook. So first of all, you want to go ahead and copy this email so you would have it. And on Outlook, you want to click on Settings and Sync Email. Now you want to go ahead and manage or choose a primary alias. So you want to add a new alias from here. Now from here, you want to click Add Email Address. You want to go ahead and add existing email address right there and add alias. Now we want to go ahead and verify it. Let's send an email, and also we can make it primary. I'm just going to open up the webmail here on DreamHost. And now on sync email, you want to set the default from address to this one if you will be using it. And that's basically it. Here you can set up the forwarding if you want to. And now when you will start writing a new mail, here is your DreamHost account's mail. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.